Very good morning to all of you, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, I would like to share with you as I come to your home. Home means your heart, about your own self, about my own self. How do I want to present myself to the world? How do you want to present yourself actually? Do you just want to present yourself as just like an ordinary being? Or do you want to present yourself as a spiritually powerful being? You can do both. There are plenty of ordinary people in the world, but also there are extraordinary people in the world. When you really examine these extraordinary people in the world, they are super special. Why? Because if you really go into themselves and you see, there is very beautiful speciality in them. That is the God experience that they have with the Lord. That is the secret. You examine any people. I have come across lots of multimillion people. They sometimes, even I know a person, wherever he goes, very rich person, wherever he goes, he carries his cross and go. Before he does anything, he really takes his cross into his hand and he prays before he begins any meeting. Some people, they are meditators. Some people, they carry their rosary and they hold the rosary before they start doing anything, calling Mother Mary or Lord or Master, the Lord Divine. They call all the Spirit, very especially the Spirit of the Lord, and then they take their decisions and they become super people in the world. And that their beautiful spirituality just flows out through them. And whenever they present themselves at any meeting or wherever they are, in any place, they know how to conduct themselves because they are always carrying the Lord within. So therefore, if you want to be successful in life, all what I beg of you is have a beautiful connection with the Divine, and the Lord will never desert you. He is the only person who will always be with you, carry you on his shoulders. Very especially when you are weak, he will be carrying you on his shoulders. Sometimes he is with you, sitting beside you, sleeping with you, do everything, wherever you are, whatever you do, the Lord is always with you. That is the promise actually we have got from the Lord. So therefore, firmly believe that he is with you and become a supernatural person, right? Super special person who can really perform miracles in this world, who can perform so much to the world, who can contribute so much to the world, so that you may die one day, but all the beautiful qualities you will keep in this world, all that will remain in this world, and you will be remembered forever and ever. So therefore, today let me once again request you, be connected to the Lord. May this blessing be yours today and every passing day. May God bless you.